Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel lookup series that is running into my channel. Friends, today we are going to learn and get to know about an interesting and most useful formula, that is index formula nested form with match function in Microsoft Excel, and we are going to use it for basic index match with approximate match. And I know that you can do it with Vlookup, but sometimes it might be more easier to use the index and match function in a nested form against that one. So without wasting any time, let's get back to the point, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from the channel. And check the description box, there you will find the link of downloading this Excel sheet which I am using in this video. So here we will input our score and we will get our result in the F5 cell. This example shows how to use index and match to retrieve a grade from a table based a given score. This requires an approximate match since it is unlikely that the actual score exists in the table. So here in the F5 cell you have to put your formula like this: equals to index, then it is asking for array. So what our array will be? Our array will be the results, that means from C5 to C9. After that, put a comma here. So here we are going to use the match function in a nested form. So match. So now it is asking for a lookup value, and our lookup value will be the score that we will input later. So that will be in E5 cell. So I am typing this E5, then put a comma again. It is asking for lookup array just like Vlookup formula. So here you have to select your table array, but only the first column of your table, right? That is B5 to B9. Then put a comma. Now it is asking for exact match or less than. So as we are going to use the approximate match, so here we have to type number 1. So we'll have the option of less than, then close the brackets and simply hit the enter button. Look at here, as we didn't input any number here, it assumed as 0 and showed you result as F. And if you type 61, it will show you D. Another try, so it is showing you the result accurately. So let's check how this formula actually works. This formula uses match, find the correct row for a given score. Match is configured to look for the value in E5 that we have input number in column B. Note carefully that the last argument is 1, that is the match type as equivalent to true, that is 1, which allows match to perform an approximate match on values listed in ascending order. In this configuration, match returns the position of the first value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. In this case, as we have typed 72, it returns value as C. And in the index, and then this one caused the index function to retrieve the value at the third row of the range, that of the range of C5 to C9, which is C here. Note carefully, values in column B must be sorted in ascending order in order to match to return the correct position. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friend. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting, and stay tuned.